Question number 14, though it's not a very difficult question from profit and loss, but there are so many factors that are coming into play in this question that makes this question a little lengthy and slightly complex as far as calculations are concerned. But if you study all these effects individually, so there are four effects that are coming into play which will change market price or the selling price. If you look at all these effects individually, and replicate these effects on market price or the selling price, then you can make this question look a little easier. So let's have a look at these effects one by one. Okay, so first of all, the first effect is a shopkeeper marks his goods at 80% above the cost price. Okay, so whatever be the cost price, I can say market price will be 80% above the cost price. So this is the first effect. So we can say that MP will be equal to 80% above, that is 1.8 times the cost price. All right. Now let's move on towards the second effect. Now after marking up his goods, he adds 10% by volume of freely available impurities. So impurities are freely available. So the volume will increase by 10% and hence the money that he will get against that will also increase by 10%. So we can say that the effect on market price will be an increase of 10%. Increase of 10% will have a multiplication factor of 1.1. 1.1 multiplied by the market price, that is 1.8 times the cost price. Okay, so this is the second effect. The third one, he uses a faulty weighing machine that reads 1 kg instead of 1100 grams. So it is underweighting. So underweigh kar raha hai, by 1.1, by a factor of 1.1. Okay, so now the market price will be divided by a factor of 1.1. Okay, so the new market price will be 1 upon 1.1 multiplied by the original market price in the previous step. So that is 1.1 into 1.8 CP. Okay, now the last effect is a discount of 9.09%. Now 9.09% you need to convert it in terms of fraction. So 9.09 percentage in terms of fraction is 1 upon 11. A discount of 1 upon 11. So the selling price will be 1 minus 1 upon 11 of the market price, and that is 10 upon 11. So the effect here will be 10 upon 11. So in the final step, I can say that the selling price will be equal to 10 upon 11 times the market price, and the market price from the previous step, 1 upon 1.1 into 1.1 into 1.8 times the cost price. Now 1.1 will get cancelled, so it will be 18 upon 11 times the cost price. Okay, so selling price we have obtained as 18 upon 11 times the cost price. We have to find out the overall profit or loss percentage. We can see that here cost price is 7 upon 11 as a fraction, 7 upon 11 more than the cost price. So selling price is 7 by 11 more than the cost price. So the profit percentage will be 7 upon 11 into 100. Now no need to multiply it by 100 if you remember the fractional equivalence. Now 1 by 11 is, I'll write it. So you have already seen in the question 1 by 11 is 9.09. So 9.09 and then 7 upon 11 will be multiplied by 7, and this value will come out to be 63.63 percentage. So we'll have a final profit of 63.63 percentage, and that is option B. So yes, this is a correct answer.